All right. This is lesson 8, which is a practice test. It's not a new lesson. Practice test, sum up everything. We're going to do this, go through this. You should do the practice test yourself first. All right. Don't just watch this video without trying yourself. Try it. When you struggle, you come here, look at the question, refer to my explanation. All right. I'm not going to read out the question. You can read it yourself. I'll just jump into the solution, how you solve it. Going from A to B. You either go through C or D. All right. I say or. What do you do with or? You add them. Now from A to B, you need to go through C, right? You first go to C, three choices to go to C, and then you go to B. From C, go to B, and then. Do you say, I say and, so you multiply. Going from A to D, there's two choices, and then you go from D to B, there are two choices, you multiply them. But between ACB and ADB, you add them. Okay, so that will be the answer. Next one, there are total 6 letters here, so that will be the answer. Here we go. Put it in a calculator to find out what does that equal to. Next one, it says committee. Okay, some committee, so it sounds like a combination question. But then you read on, you're not selecting a committee. You already have 11 people selected. Out of those 11 people, you want to elect or you want to choose the president, treasurer, and secretary, the specific role. If you have A, B, C, that's one way of choosing them. But if you have the same person, but C is the president, A is the secretary, it's a different committee. So therefore, this is a permutation question. Out of the 11 members, you choose 3. The order matters here. For the order, you assign them a role. So the answer is 11P3. For this question, 6 children and 5 adults, they can't sit next to each other, which means they alternate. Child, adult, child, adult, child, adult, child, adult, child. All right. So how many ways? For the first child, 6 child, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? We see something similar. In here, 5 adult to choose from, and 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is 6 factorial times 5 factorial. Okay, so like drawing something like this help you. NR1. So no multiple choice, you need to figure out the numeric answer. A lot of people find it difficult, but it's the same as others, same as multiple choice. You just do it, find the answer, plug it in. Okay. Now, this one has 5 different models. Now, all the cars are different. And then you want to arrange the car, 3 cars, 1 black, 1 green. Just looking at this, maybe you're thinking about, hey, 5 cars. All right. Like if they are identical cars, 3 of them are identical, that will be different arrangement. Right? If that's the question, that is the answer. But that's not the question. They're different model. So even though they're all blue, they're different. The question say, all the cars displayed in the showroom if no 2 blue cars can be next to one another. All right, then it's just like last question. You just need blue, blue, blue. And then in between you can put black or green. And since they're different model, they're not the same model. So each one consider 3, 2, 1 choice. If they're the same model, then it will be just one way. You have to put blue, blue, blue. There's only one way. But here, they're different model. So there are 3 blue cars to choose from here, 2 and 1. And then here you can 2 car is 1 black or green or here. So that's the answer. 3 times 2 times 2, the answer is 12. Okay. All right. Next question. You expand the bigger one. The top one is bigger. You start with n plus 2. You take away 1. N plus 1. You take away 1 is n. You take away 1 is n minus 1. And then n minus 2, n minus 3. But I stop here. Why? Because in the bottom, I see something that match. For factorial, you can only cross out the entire thing. You cannot cross out part of it, but you can cross out the whole thing. So this also cancel out. So therefore, the answer is A. All right, you can use calculator for the rest of the test. Banana. Okay, 6 letter. There are 3A, there are 2N. Okay, that's the answer. Put in the calculator, find out what that's equal to. All right, next question. You have 6 teams, all right? They need to play against each other. So let's say team A play with team B. That's one way. It's same as B play with A. A play B, right? That's one way. A play with B. A play with C. D, E, F, right? A, E. So there's 5 ways to play. And then this team, they don't play with A again, right? They play with this one. 4 ways. And then here, 3 ways. And then 2 ways. And then 1 ways. So 5 plus 4, you're adding the ways, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. So this question is not permutation question, it's not combination question, it's not even fundamental counting principle. This is simply counting, just adding up numbers. All right. So there are 15 ways they play against each other, and then they do it twice. All right. So the answer is double that. So the answer is 15 times 2. The answer is 30. Okay. Let's see. 6 students selected from 5 boys. Equal number of boys and girls, which mean 3 boys, 3 girls. 5 boys, you choose 3. 6 girls, you choose 3, and then you multiply them. That's the answer. All right, computer access code. 3 different digits. Okay, there are 10 different digits, 0 to 9. The first one cannot be 0, so there's 9 choices. And then they want different digits. Okay, so there are 10 digits to begin with, but then you can't choose 0 for the first one, so it's 9. The second one, if there's no restriction to get it the same, it will be 10. However, now you cannot be same as the first one. No matter what you choose for the first one, it cannot be same as that. So it's only 9 choices. And then the third digit cannot equal to the first 2, so it's 8. And finally, the last one is a letter, either A, B, C, D, so it's 4 choices. So the answer is not A8. It's not 9984, is multiply them together will be your final answer. Okay? All right, let's try this. Oh, okay. This one, there are 2 ways to do it. One is counting the square. All right, from home to this point, you need to move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 steps, 4 ways. But 2 of them are to the right. 2 of them are moving up. Now you can arrange, for example, right, right, up, up. That's one way. Well, the next one is you can do right, up, right, up, right? You can do up, up, right, right. So this question become arranging 4 things, but 2 of them are the same, 2 of them are the same. So that's why it's this. And then from this point to the school, there's 9 steps you need to take. 9 factorial. All right. 5 is moving right, 4 is moving up. So that will be the answer. And then when you multiply them, that will be your final answer. Okay, there's another way. The other way is called counting way. You count each dot starting from home. You just go to the school and you count every dot. All right, every dot along here. How many ways you can get from home to there? Well, you go straight. There's one way here. So along the edge is just one way. All right. And then in the intersection in the middle here, you can either go through from here or there. So therefore, one way plus one way. So every dot is a sum of the previous dot. So this dot here is a sum of 1 and 2, which give you 3. So this dot is also 3, 2, and 1, and 3 and 3 give you a 6. All right, did you make sense? Does it make sense? Now, 6 ways to get here. Now, those 6 ways all lead you along this line. If you want to get here, those 6 ways lead you to this point, all leads you to there. So along the edge, just put a 6 there. And then for the intersection, you add. All right, 6, 6 give you 12. 6, 18, 24, 30, 36. All right. Along the edge here, you do the same thing. 6 plus 12, 18, 24, 30. Now you keep adding 18, 18, 36. Now you can't do any, you can't jump to a different point. You need to do the adjacent point. 36 plus 24 is 60. Okay, add this one 90. Add this one 126. Okay, 36, 60. Okay, 60, 60, 120. 120, 90, 210. 210 plus this is 3, 36. Okay, last row, 90. 210, 420. 420 plus this, 756. Can you believe it? That's the answer. Okay, this will also give you the same answer. All right, so you read the question. 16 to Student Council, you want to choose the Prime Minister, Deputy Minister, Treasurer, secretary, so it says 4 position. Um, order is important, so 16P4. All right. So you read the question, you find out 6 possible location for 4 store. You just want to find out how many different location, total 8 different location will be chosen. You don't care which store go there. So the order doesn't matter. So 6 location in Calgary, you choose 4. 4 location in Red Deer, you choose 1. And 4 location in Edmonton, you choose 3. And then it is N. So here's the answer. Okay. All right. This question is easy. 5 sandwiches, you choose 1. Free drink, you choose 1. 2 cookie, you choose 1. The answer is 30. All right. Question 12. 3 digit from 1 to 9. It's just 1 to 9, so no 0. So there's only 9 choices. Which of the restriction will reserve the most area code? Okay, let's go through them. All digits are different. So start with 9 choices, 8 choices, and then 7. The middle digit is odd. So the odd, there are 5 odd digits. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They can repeat, so it's 9 and 9. All right. Digit 7 cannot be used, so which means every number have only 8 choices. Finally, all digits are even, so there are 4 even digits, 2, 4, 6, 8. So all digits are even, or, which means you plus. All digits are odd, there are 5. Okay. So you just put in a calculator, you find out which one is the largest. Okay. 5 card hand. Okay, standard card question will be a combination question. 4 diamond, 13 diamond, you choose 4. And 14 spade, you choose 4. Spade, you choose 1, sorry. So total 5 hand cards. You can only choose from diamonds or spade. Okay, let's solve the following. Expand it. And then you simplify which two number, consecutive number multiply to 240, right? Because this cancel out. The answer is 16 and 15. So n must be 16. All right. So R and 6 of his friends line up. He has to be in first. Why do you have to be in first? Okay, he has to be in first. What's the remaining way to arrange those 6 friends? Just 6 factorial. Okay. Suddenly they throw an easy question there to confuse you. Okay. All the letter flagpole. Okay, so there's 8 letters, there's 2 L there. A number of different ways to arrange them when end with all 3. Okay, there are 3 vowels. Okay, so just separate them. The 5 letters in the front, all right, there's 5 factorial ways to arrange them. Order matters, but then 2 of them are L, so you divide them. And then you multiply 3 vowels ending at the end, so 3 factorials. So that will be the answer. All right, next question. A visible points. Connect 3 points to make a triangle. So any 3 points give a triangle. ABC, CBA give you the same triangle. The order doesn't matter. Another 3 point give you another triangle. So the question is 8 dots, just choosing any 3 will give you a triangle. So that will be the answer. The order doesn't matter. All right. All right, let's try this. 10 students in a leadership class going to do some volunteer work. All right, for this question, you think about it, it's a combination question. You first start with 10 students. You choose 5 of them go to the food bank. All right. So it's a new question we never see before. Now after that, you have 5 students remaining. Those 5 students, you choose from them, choose 2 of them to go to the hospital. And final 3, actually you don't need to choose because those are the 3 remaining. 3 choose 3. So this is how you do it. 10 choose 5, remaining 5 choose 2, remaining 3 choose 3. It's a new question we never see before, but this is how you solve it. Next, 17. 7 letters arrangement, selling, all files are to be together. AII, so they have to group together. So S, L, and G. So there's 5 things you need to arrange. All right. And then among that, you have I, you have S, L, S. So then you multiply with 3 factorial because it's SII, but 2 of them are the same. Okay. So this is how you do it. I'm running out of time. I only have few more to go. I'll just write down the answer. I won't bother make another video. I just write down the answer on the blog and you learn from it. Okay. Good luck, everyone. Bye bye.